Welcome to Analyze This for Power BI, the first of several videos in a series that makes sense of the myriad of options in Microsoft's business intelligence platform. So let's get started with the question that many people wonder about. What is Power BI? Well, in a nutshell, Power BI is a set of tools and services that are used to gather data and create reports and share those reports with others. That's pretty much it. Okay, but there's a lot going on there, and Microsoft's branding heroes have made this particularly challenging by labeling so many of the components with the same Power BI name. So when someone says, "Oh, I'm using Power BI," it usually takes a conversation to figure out what they actually mean. Now, if we look at the big list of components, we can see that the Power BI tools and services actually fall nicely into four categories. First, they're the report building tools, which is really what we think of most when people say Power BI. With these tools, users can create cool looking reports that turn columns of data into pretty visuals. Like pie charts and bar charts, and even new kinds of visuals like waterfall charts, spark lines, and my personal favorite, donut charts. Now, to build these reports, we need data. And there are very sophisticated data management capabilities in Power BI. There are numerous ways for us to query data outside of the service, like data that resides on premises or maybe in another cloud. And Power BI can even host data directly within its own service. And there are plenty of enterprise capabilities in this area that I discuss in another video. So, we've built our reports. How do our users access them? Well, the Power BI portal is the main tool for most users. This is where they can interact with reports and do some of their own analysis, but it's not the only tool. The service also provides mobile apps for users on the go and a Teams app so you can see reports without having to leave Teams. And one of my personal favorites is the ability to embed Power BI reports directly in your own custom applications, which means you can use Power BI as a general purpose reporting platform. Now let's finish with the most important part of Power BI, the back-end hosting platforms. This is where the reports and data are stored, and it's where all the magic happens when users and applications need to access reports. And most importantly, the back-end platform you choose determines how you license your users and where you'll spend most of your money. So they're kind of important. But to make it challenging, there are 7 back-end platforms to choose from. I know what you're thinking, why 7? Well, they each support different features and they're designed for different purposes. So in reality, the 7 options make sense, especially in the purchasing side. But you do need to spend time understanding those platforms. Okay, that's the high-level view of Power BI, and you can see there's a lot going on here. Now, this video series can be viewed in any order, but if you need a recommendation, I suggest you watch the Report Types video next.